How to update emojis on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can update emojis on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually use the latest emojis on your iPhone, what you can do is, normally if you just go to the general section and then you go to keyboard section, when you go to keyboard here you will not find the option to update your emojis or something like that. So what you have to do is you just have to go to general, go to software update and check if there are any sort of updates available for your iOS or your iPhone. And once you make sure that if there is any sort of update, you can try to update your iOS version to the latest version. With that, you will also get all the recent emojis, text or whatever else it is there that needs to be updated. This way you can actually update emojis on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.